is
अपने लिए
very
खुद के
less
लिए जो
than a
ट्रेड
cost of
करना
a
है तो
pizza,
उसमें ज्यादा
cost of a
एल्गो से
burger,
बहुत ज्यादा
cost of a
कोई
Dairy Milk
बहुत डिफरेंस
chocolate.
क्रिएट नहीं होगा।
Is it
बिकॉज हम जो
VFM in the
निफ्टी की
chat
जो
box?
ट्रेड्स करते हैं,
VFM
स्ट्रेटेजीज जो अपनी
means
सारी
value
हैं,
for money,
वो
Hardik.
सारी एडजस्टमेंट बेस्ड स्ट्रेटेजीज हैं
What do you
जिसके
think?
अंदर
Is it
समय
VFM
समय
in the
पे
Zoom chat?
डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मार्केट लेवल्स अपने को उसमें
BFM
एडजस्टमेंट।
100x. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Absolutely value for money. Every expert was once a beginner. Yes, true that. Knowledge price is very less. Yes, Ramesh, because we want to help people across pan India. That's the reason the price is very low. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Give me the three parameters for Claudia Shashank. Everything will be given to you. Chill and relax, Shashank. 100x, 110x, 90x. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, bhai, no problem. That's great. Yes, yes. Can you please repeat the strategies? Ajay, we are going to do it. Okay? Yes. Love you 3000. Love you 3000. Chalo, that's great. Now I'm going to close the chat box. And now I want you to take the key takeaways from this workshop so far. How many of you coming from different side of the world? When I say different side of the world, you might be like, Hardik, I just do SIPs, or I'm very little bit aware of the stock market. Coming to a point where I've made you understand the true potential, the real potential of AI assisted stock trading systems, and I've shown you with the help of past results that they can be profitable too as well, where your efforts, your energies are at a very minimal level and the rewards are very good enough. And not just that, guys, do you understand that stock trading strategies with good returns can help you build generational wealth? You literally don't have to just rely on someone else or just sitting there and relying on SIPs to achieve your financial freedom, because I've also made you understand that the average returns that you're expecting with your mutual funds, which are far below 12%, many people have in this sort of markets negative returns, and they don't understand that how mutual fund, which we personally call it as mutual fund alpha strategies. Yes, there are strategies in mutual fund as well. I don't know how many people know about that, but if you use that, you can have this sort of returns even in this sort of market. Guys, understand, the Nifty is almost 15% down from its peak, but still my portfolio has, our team portfolio has a return of whooping 18%. That is XIR. Imagine the markets being revived. Imagine this portfolio going where. And if you want to achieve some things like this for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones, we can definitely help you out with that as well. But the sad part is, personal finance or finance as a topic is very, it's a one of the taboo topic in India. And that's what I'm going to prove it to you in the next learning that we have. Before I show you the next learning, I have a question for you. How many people, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your capital that you have, irrespective of your savings that you have, irrespective of your financial commitment you have, tell me honestly, how many people have a financial plan for themselves? Tell me honest. Is that a yes or no? Irrespective of your age, capital, profession, background, education, वो सब फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. Do you have a financial plan for yourself? When I say financial plan with a proper way, this is my time and this is my goal I want to achieve. How? And that how should be also clear. Not yet. No, no. I think I'm 40 plus. I don't have a plan. No worries. As I said, 40 plus, 50 plus, 60 plus does not really matter if you have a plan. No, I don't have a plan. No, I have no, not specific. No, Ramesh Kumar with a very big no. Okay, no, I don't have a plan. D'Souza, no problem. Perfect. No, 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 no. Avinash, I will share it with you. No problem. I'm worried about the future. Shalina, chill and relax. I'm 17. What plan? Crazy, 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 crazy. No, 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 no. I don't have a plan. Okay. I'm closing the chat and I want to ask one simple question. I won't charge you anything extra. I can help you to build your financial plan. I can show you a roadmap to a financial independence. But since this workshop has many people, there is only one condition. If more than 50% people will agree, I will show you, or else we will not show you. We will pass on the learnings. We'll go to the bonuses, certificate, and everything. For that, you need to write solution in the Zoom chat. More than 50% people writing solution, I will give you the plan, or else we'll skip it. So it's quite transparent and I'm keeping the decision on you. Do you want a solution? Do you want a plan right now in this workshop only? We don't have to go somewhere else. Right now, live within 5 minutes. Do you want solution for that? Yes, solution, 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 solution of a plan, solution of a plan. Theek. I will close the chat box and let me help you with a plan. First thing first, I don't want to take names of specific people who have written, Hardik, I'm 45. Hardik, I don't have a plan. Hardik, I want to retire. I want to have 1 CR, 10 CR, 12 CR, whatever the number were people putting up. First thing you need to clear in your head. Whenever someone asks me, let's say I'm going to ask you in future, or some other person is going to ask you, what is your road to independence, financial independence? Don't just say the number. Saying number is very wrong, and I will make you understand. The real independence is about time and finance. If you don't agree with me, let me ask you a question. Guys, tell me honestly, do you want to buy that dream house or do you want to buy that dream car of yours at the age of 75? After 20 years now? After 15 years now? And or tell me honestly, you want to achieve those goals of your life in coming 3 to 5 years? And I'm pretty much sure every single one of you is going to tell me, Hardik, whatever dreams I have, obviously I want to achieve them in 3 to 5 years. So always think of independence in both terms. Time be independence hai. Please understand. If you like, I've seen so many people who are close to me are like, Hardik, yaar, I don't want to go to job. I don't want to do 9 to 5. So that independence comes under time. So independence is of both the things. Clear your basics. Time and money, both are important. If you have infinite wealth and you just have 1 day to live, it doesn't make sense, right? And you have if you have infinite time to live and if you have 0 rupees, again that doesn't make sense. So both plays very important role in our financial independence. Now, talking about road, guys, this three things, if you fix, you can definitely achieve your financial independence. If you work everything correctly, if you go with every step at a time, you can definitely achieve your financial freedom in coming 5 to 10 years. Hardik, what are the pillars? So, first thing first, you need to understand and master personal finance and understand about profitable investing strategies. I'm not telling you to go and trade out there. It's very risky until unless you have mentorship. But investing, that's something you can do, right, with the help of AI or using your own brain. You literally don't have to rely on SIPs. You literally don't have to do just one SIP and think everything is sorted in your future. Sorry to bring that news to you, but it's not sorted. Everything is going to go haywire if you don't plan it properly. Talking about personal finance, it's one of the taboo topic in India. Let me ask you, do you discuss about wealth creation among your family? Do you discuss it with your partner? Do you discuss it with your parents? Do you discuss it with your children's? 90% people don't, because they don't understand of or understand the importance of this planning. They don't understand the power of financial education. Guys, we have got all sort of education in our school, colleges, workplace, but no one has really taught us how to manage our money. No one has really taught us about spending habits. No one has really thought about growing your wealth, maintaining your wealth, preserving your wealth, how to choose investments for yourself, how to choose mutual funds for yourself. Everyone will tell you mutual fund sahi hai. Are bhai, kaun sa sahi hai? Which one is correct? No one will tell you that. So these are the problems that you need to fix. And here comes the interesting part. If you fix your personal finance, you can bring down your monthly cost up to 23% without compromising on your lifestyle. So if you have current lifestyle, without compromising on that lifestyle, you can bring down the cost. How and when? Like, that's a very big topic. I can go on and on in 1 hour. Like, there are so many tax saving loopholes, credit card loopholes, financial this and that, non-publicable hacks that we can talk about. But I hope everyone has got a clear picture about the first pillar, that is your priority from today onwards, not tomorrow onwards, today only. Saturday say that's your priority to fix it. Coming to the next part, which is your second pillar. First pillar is all about money management in your life. Second pillar of your life comes in from finance point of view is all about growing your wealth. So first you have understood how to manage your money. Now you are sorted. Now once you grow your income, if you are making more money, you will be already capable enough of managing it because you have mastered it. You mastered personal finances, so you will not make any mistakes in terms of finances. And second, profitable investing aati hai, so the additional income you will generate for yourself, you know how to use it wisely. Now, I personally suggest, that's my personal opinion, that trading can be your second source of income. I will tell you why. Because of this modern age technologies. Now, I can see that a Dr. Sharon in the chat box. I don't think so. There would be a point where Dr. Sharon will be having equal knowledge because of AI in the world of stock market compared to a person, let's say, who is a chartered accountant, because it's just a question away. You just have to put it in the chat box in the AI wala chat GPT, Claude AI, any other chat bot, and you have equal chances of that person. So now stock trading has become an equal playing field for all of us, irrespective of our job, irrespective of our capital, irrespective of our past experience, irrespective of our degree. It does not really matter. So that's the second pillar that you need to fix in your life in case you want to achieve your financial freedom in coming 3, 5, or 10 years. And coming to the third pillar, which very less people in India, I would say less than 1% people understand in India, is secrets of wealth. Everyone is trying to show off. Everyone is driven by social media that they want to flex their life on social media. They will have 50 lakhs ka car, but they don't have 5 lakhs ka emergency fund. People who are just doing flex out there, you need to understand from the wealthy people how to become wealthy. Have you ever seen Mukesh Ambani showing his wealth on Instagram? Have you ever seen Elon Musk posting that, hey, I got a new car? That is not how wealth works. This is some quick trick scheme wala mindset. We don't have to have that mindset. We need to have wealthy mindset. And for that, there are so many secrets that you need to understand and incorporate in your life in order to truly become wealthy. And after all of this, after your three pillars are sorted, my friend, I could definitely say that you can truly experience or truly witness or you can truly achieve your financial freedom, which includes both time and money. How many people are like, Hardik, since my school days till this point, let's say you're 40 plus, no one has shown you life from this point of view, which is the most important one, money and time and finance point of view. How many people are having this experience? Drop me in the Zoom chat. How many people found it lovely? They have never seen a way like this since their childhood. Tell me honestly in the chat box. Chat is open now. Pranav, Shashank, Manish, Namdev, Pankaj Kumar, again Manan Gupta again. Not seen Athiya, Devendra, Amit, Sudeep, not seen Crazy, Rudrajit, Pinky Singh, Prashant Ray, Sanjay Kumar, Amardeep Singh, Bonnie, Santosh Kumar, then the Aman Mullah. How to get scanners, FFS scanners of yours? Aman, I will help you understand. Do not worry. Not seen like this. Perfect. Alex, not seen, not seen, not seen, not seen, not seen. I think I want a solution for the same. Anyone wants solution? Drop help in the Zoom chat. Anyone wants to help us to help you achieve this in the fastest way possible? Again, the same logic. If it's more than 50%, I can definitely help you out. SIP wala plan, help required solution. I will close the chat box. And guys, I want to tell you, to achieve all of this, we have a exclusive, not for everyone, sorry to say, where we are going to choose specific people having specific problems that I'm going to show you, guide you, mentor you, handhold you to solve this problem. And the best part, it will be happening completely live from the comfort of your home in coming 2 to 3 weeks. That's 7th, 8th, 9th of March. So today is 15th of February. You can plan your schedules, you can clear your calendars because this 3 days will be happening post working hours and it's a weekend, but it can be a life changing weekend for you. Why? Because in a single weekend across 12 hours ka learning span, which will be completely live and the recordings will be provided to you, so no worries, all the busy professionals, we are going to cover personal finance A to Z, which will help you to reduce your cost without compromising on your lifestyle. Profitable investment strategies. So you are not a layman person who's just relying on blind SIPs, which can go in negatives as well. Not just that, guys, equity trading 101. All the people who are curious to get started into the world of equity but are scared because of losing money, so we can guide you, mentor you, handle you to start in equity trading 101. Future and options. If someone wants to make it big, if someone wants to get proprietary, proven, back tested wala data in terms of equity, we have it. In terms of futures, we have it. In terms of options, we have it. And everything we are going to share it here. And last and the second last part is for busy working professionals who are clueless, who are not aware of something called as automated systems which can help you get started in the world of trading along with your business, along with your studies, and along with your job. If you're thinking right now that, Hardik, in case I want to come into the world of stock market, do I have to quit my business, do I have to quit my job, do I have to quit my studies? The answer is a big no. The world is changing around us, so do the technology is changing around us, and we are going to leverage that to get started. And the best part is, it's an exclusive event, not for everyone. I know everyone wants to get help from our side, but we cannot help everyone. We are going to choose people, we are going to help people who have this one of the specific problems. First being buying a house. 93% people in India struggle to buy a house which they themselves own. More than 90% loans which people have bought it for houses are not owned by them. They think they are the owner of that because they don't understand finance. And if you are one of them, just don't pay your 5 to 6 EMIs and you will come to know that you are not the owner of the house. The bank people will come there, kick you out of the house. So, all these things you need to understand. And if anyone who is trying to buy a house, already bought it, or planning to buy it, we will show you a way which will be the best way for yourself. And not just that, guys, talking about home loan, do you know that 96% of corporate professionals out there have some sort of loan on them, starting with home loan, going all way covering personal loan, home loan, educational loan, marriage loan, till the last point, which is credit card. Guys, I'm shocked to see that the recent data shows there are so many people who are trapped in debit cards, credit cards. They are just waiting for salaries to come in so they can pay their EMIs, and not getting enough money to enjoy your life, not getting enough money to invest in, not getting enough money to go on vacations and something like that. So if you are facing this problem, guys, we can fix that for you. We can definitely help you, guide you, mentor you, handhold you in a 3-day event, which is for close people, not for everyone. So you can get our personal time and attention as well. And not just that, guys, if someone is going to quit your job, you're like, Hardik, I will come in stock market, I want to quit my job. That's not the way to do it. There is a systematic way. There are certain things you need to plan before quitting your job. And in case you need our help with that, we can definitely help you with that as well. Anyone again who's like, Hardik, I'm not able to go on vacations with my family, with my loved one, I'm not able to take my parents out, I'm not able to take my children at some good places during their vacations, we can definitely help you using non-publicable hacks which will bring your trip cost, which will bring your, yeah, vacation ka cost drastically down. Not just that, guys, anyone who's like, Hardik, I'm scared right now after seeing the portfolio, after seeing what people are doing, and I'm already 40 plus, I'm already 50 plus, and I don't literally have a plan. We can help you with that as well. Not just that, guys, anyone who wants to get a forward mentor, please, you are already 60 plus, you are already executive, you have made your money, but you need someone to guide you with that, what to do with that, then you can be also get qualified. So this are all, if you have any one of this problem, you're 50% qualified. The next 50% qualified will be basis who you are. The first preference will be given to beginners. I will be very honest with you, guys. Beginners have done crazy things in this 3-day financial freedom program because they does not come with some prior knowledge. They does not come with some preconceived notions. They do what we tell them to do. We teach them, they apply them, and they are sorted. So first priority will be given to beginners. Anyone who's a beginner here, congratulations, you are automatically qualified for the event. Not just that, guys, anyone who's a mutual fund SIP holders, that will be the second preference. Anyone who's like, Hardik, yaar, I'm doing SIP for over 2 years now, over 6 months now, but I'm not seeing any results in that, am I doing something wrong? We can show you a better way to achieve your financial freedom, which is compared to SIP a long route. You can do it in a much lesser time compared to SIP. Not just that, guys, anyone who's a casual trader, active trader, I've seen so many people here like, Hardik, I've lost money, I have so much loss, so much loss. Guys, think for a second. You have lost thousands rupees. You have lost lakhs of rupees. But why not invest a small amount to learn it now? Why you're relying on someone else? Why you're risking your hard-earned money directly in the markets? Invest some amount within yourself. That's my advice to you. Before investing a single rupee in stock market, you should at least invest some amount for yourself to learn it. Become independent. And the last thing will be working professionals with years of experience. You're clueless. You are like thinking your age is a problem. Your profession is a problem. Your capital is a problem. So let me tell you, any of this category, all of this is not true. Your age, your profession, your capital size does not matter. Full stop. This 3 days will be completely on Zoom. This three golden days will be covered on Zoom. And the best part is, in case you attend it, no matter. In case you do not attend it, does not matter. You can ask for a batch transfer if you're not available on those dates. The best part, using the same link. Or you can even get the recordings with lifetime access. So this is your asset. Understand, all different 12 learnings covered, different strategies covered will be there with you with a recorded format of it. So after 2 months, after 3 months, you want to revise something. Let's say you want to start with futures, you want to start with options, you want to revise those strategies. You will be having the recordings with it with proper systems, strategies, and backtested data. So you can start your journey after 2 months as well and still register for the program. And again, I've said the program is happening on the first week, end of the week, March, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And अगर आप वो डेट पे अवेलेबल नहीं हो, if you're not available, you can still register and ask for a batch transfer without paying a single rupee extra. No charges for that. Now the best part is, day one is all about personal finance and profitable passive investment strategies. Learn how to grow your money, live life king size by using non-public element hacks. And if you don't believe me, let me show you the results of it. Day one, 7 March. Again, I've said not available. Still, you can register. We will give you a batch transfer. Everything is post working hours along with the recordings. Now, guys, since only few people are going to get selected for this, the learnings are top notch, top quality. Don't believe me? See this. First is where we start with having your own unique asset allocation plan. Why? Because the people who are going to get selected will have different age. Obviously, we are not in a classroom. People will have different income levels. People will have different expense level. People will have different people dependent on them financially. For example, many of you might be like, Hardik, my partner is not working, my parents are not working, my children are not working, everyone is dependent on me. So you will have a separate asset allocation plan compared to a person who does not have any things. People have different expense level. Many of you might be like, Hardik, I earn 1 lakh as a salary, but my expenses are 90,000. At the same time, second person would be like, Hardik, I earn 50,000, but my expenses are just 20,000. So depending on 17 different parameters, your asset allocation strategy will be given to you, every single one. Next is where a great opportunity for anyone who is just relying on SIPs, or people who are relying or directly buying any equity out there. We are going to share a proven reverse Nifty 50 strategy with the annualized returns in the past of 54.9%. And if you think this is a very big number, let me tell you the most interesting part out there. If you don't find this exact number in the past data, there and there I will refund your money. So I don't want your money, guys. I'm here to help you and make you understand the potential of it. And I'm again repeating, if you don't find this crazy number in the back tested results, your money will be refunded there and there, no question asked. And not just that, guys, anyone who is in huge debt right now, you have already made huge losses, you have borrowed somewhere else money, you have made huge losses, all of that is very wrong. We will help you to come out of it. Three hacks to get out of your debt faster. And guys, see this: how to reduce your loan tenure up to 23% smartly, how to reduce your loan interest amount up to 20 to 30% smartly. And not just that, guys, leveraging smart levers to eliminate bad debt. And this all things, your bank guy, your NBFC guy, your bank manager will never come directly to and will tell it to you. Samne se. Why? Because this is where they are going to trap you in debt. This is where they are going to make money out of you. And we are saving you out of this. We are saving you how to get out of this using proven hacks. Not just that, guys. We will also show you how to unlock credit card secrets to live a luxurious life. And without saying anything about the curriculum, let me show you the potential of it. I have four credit cards, and we all know how easy it is in today's time to get a credit card if you have a decent job, right? So I have a Axis Bank ka credit card, I have HSBC, I have a HDFC ka card, I have a Standard Chartered ka card, and using some non-publicable hacks, I've gathered some points and see the potential of it and see the life. And guys, this is where you're going to remember a famous quote that we have listened every time, many times. Rich are getting richer and poor people are getting poor. Let me show you why. Can you see this? This is a single ticket of a single person going from London to Mumbai. My flight ticket, ठीक है, would have costed me, would have 35,777 plus GST and everything else. How much I have paid for it, guys? 25,000. But Hardik, 25,000 I have paid in cash? Nahi. I paid via points and the rest amount have only paid via cash. So technically, roughly 10,000 rupees was the cost from for me from coming from London to Mumbai. Have you got the perspective, guys? See this, a trip with my loved ones from Mumbai to Malaysia would have costed me 1,14,000 one way. How much it costed me actually? 24,000. Then are the rest 80,000 paid via points? So these are the things. This is the level of knowledge, level of quality content we are going to share it with you across 3 days. And this is just day one, guys. This is what our past students have to say, guys. See this, 10 times value for money. Remember 5 minutes before, all of you were like, Hardik, this is value for money workshop, yaar. This is maza aa gaya, yaar. No one teaches like this. The same reaction, not same. In fact, I will tell you better reaction you will have for the 3 days. 10 times value for money. Basic to advanced trading covered. Everything like that. Divesh Kumar, a working professional. Sahil Shah, again a working professional with busy schedule coming from non-IT field, developed confidence to trade successfully. And not just that, guys, there are people who are Pooja Chabra, a working professional, a homemaker. A homemaker. She's a homemaker. She was a working professional due to like pregnancy and all of that. She took a career gap and didn't like the things didn't turn out well, and she was not able to resume her work. She became a she became a homemaker. Can you see this? It was the best decision of her life. Then there is someone called as Mithilesh, again coming from working professional but IT side. He's a coder. Invaluable investment. Highly recommended to everyone. So this level of program we have designed for you guys, and this is just day one. Day two is all about proprietary equities, futures, and option trading strategies. And now, guys, I would request you to sit on your chairs because this is going to be absolutely crazy. Because the first thing first, 70 to 80% of you are beginners. First learning will be how to build your, yes, you heard it right, your own, you will be the owner of it, trading system live. Live, guys, proper hand holding mentorship will be given to you on day 2, 8th of March, where we start sharp at 7 p.m. First task is to build your own trading setup live. After that, what will happen? After that, one after one strategies will be revealed to you with proven results, starting with the first one, which comes under the equity segment. FII equity strategies, proven to give you 39% annual returns in the past with back tested data. Again, I will repeat my words. If you don't find this 39% ka number in the back tested results which we give it to you, your money will be refunded right there and there. That's the level of confidence I have in this program. The Big Bull future trading strategy, given a whooping 657% gains across 5 years. Again, this results, this strategy will be shared to you, explained to you, taught to you, back tested data will be shared where you can see this sort of gains. If you didn't see that, your money will be refunded. And talking about futures, how we can miss out on options, option ka bhi proprietary proven strategy will be shared with you, which is weekly Nifty at the money option trading strategy, buying strategy here, which has given a whooping gains of 452% gains in the last 4 years, across 4 years. And if you don't find the same numbers in the back tested results, your money will be refunded, my friend. And not just that, guys, see what our students have to say about us. Ramanatha saying stopped applying WhatsApp and Telegram tips. He is becoming independent. We apply when not to, and the best part is we have mentors who can guide us with the same. Not just that, guys. Ravi Kiranji, a working professional, made a whooping 1,18,400 rupees in just 3 weeks. Shared a realized screenshot ka PNL in the group. You will be also becoming part of such private WhatsApp groups. Then Manoj Kumar ji, 50,611 rupees in a single intraday. Again, a working profession. Can you believe that? People, with the help of technology, proprietary proven strategies, you don't require to leave your job. Everything can say as it is, but your income would be generated because you are learning something new in the space. Paul Jesudas ji, 1,60,000 in option trading. See the screenshot for the same. Verified screenshots. All this are the proprietary, proprietary, we are the owner of this thing. It's all IP content. And see this, guys. Savio Almeida. I think she is a student. Realized PNL 42,000, 42.84,000. My current zero the PNL after looking at today's success stories, further motivated to apply all learnings going ahead. We can pay full focus on charting. This is the mindset of people. They are not wasting their weekends on partying, clubbing, going for a movie or something like that. They are utilizing their weekends to build their future. So when in future all the people are doing partying, they might be struggling here and there, but this people will be having that peaceful sleep night because they know their future is secured. They have done proper financial planning. They are not just going with the flow. Rather than they are planning it. And after doing this is just, guys, day and day two. Day three, where you do integration for wealth creation. Hardik, ye kaise hoga? How this is going to happen? We combine our newly learned skills. Since we are going to have 6 new learnings, the 6 new learnings will be combined and will be given to you in form of personal finance and stock market trading. And that is where our wealth secrets will start. Again, first thing first, 9th of March, day 3, the final day, the judgment day, 7 p.m. First, we start to rewire your brain for profit mindset. You have get profitable proven strategies. You have your system ready. You have your allocation plan. You have reverse nifty 50. You have debt ka getting out of debt ka plan. You have everything in your place. But one thing which was missing is your profitable mindset to take the things, everything in a correct way. So we'll do it for you. Not just that, guys. There is a famous concept. I don't know how many people have heard of the Japanese culture, which is Ikigai. We are going to integrate that proven famous concept into the world of finance, and we are going to understand the 3 circles of financial Ikigai. Hardik, can you please give me a more light on this? Sure. One circle of our all life would be regarding trading. Why trading? Because we want to make more money. We'll find the right fit of that. Then the second circle of our life is all about investing. Why investing? Because to grow our money. We'll find the right fit of both the circles. Then the third circle will come, which is all about financial plan, financial goals, mid-term, long-term, short-term goals. Everything will be factored, and we'll find the right fit so we can achieve all our goals, combining all the 3 circles on time. The very important word to be noted here is on time, because we want to achieve our goals on time, right? And as I said, guys, it's an exclusive event. Sabke liye nahi hai. Everyone will not get the seats. So we are going to share 4 secrets to financial prosperity. I cannot reveal the curriculum of it since it's secrets, and that will be only and only revealed on 9th of March. Then we come to breaking free from the shackles of the job. As I said, it's not that easy that you sign up for this program and you quit your job. That is not how it works. There is a proper system for that. There are proper strategies to be planned. There is something you need to understand, which is risk and reward ratio. Once you understand all of that, can easily quit your job. So the plan is very simple, guys. We put our weekend in full focus. In 3 days, we complete this 12 life-changing learnings along with the recordings of it. So you get a investment. You literally build a asset for yourself, which will be staying with you for the rest of your life at a very, very, very minimal cost, which I'm going to reveal it to you. But before I reveal the cost, I want to have a word with people who are like, Hardik, cost does not matter to me. This is regarding my life and I'm going to go for it. And if you have that attitude, my friend, I'm going to reward you with three insanely bonuses for the people who are like, Hardik, I have to go for it. I have no choice. I want to fix my life. I want to fix my finances. And if you have something like that, I'm going to give you as a bonus, as a token of gestures, two proprietary proven option trading strategies that have generated 31% return on capital. Can you believe that? And what if I told you guys we are going to share these strategies with you for how many rupees? Absolutely free of cost with back-tested data and back-tested results, and explaining you the same as well. It's included in the program. It could have costed you 12,000, but since you will be part of first 25 registrations, it will be given for free of cost. And every single one of you who's wondering, Hardik, what is this nifty alpha strategy, how it is able to beat the index, we are going to share the same alpha nifty mutual fund strategy that has outperformed or generated 3 to 7% more returns than the nifty with back tested data. And what about back tested data, guys? You can see it live in front of you, right? And if you want the same, so you can do better investments, you don't have to rely on those boring SIPs that every single person knows. Every single person knows, guys. There is no secret about SIP left. And if you want to know something which is very rare, not available to the general public, the common public, the retail investors, and if you want to get access to it, you can get it for free of cost. Would have costed you 7,400, and that's your bonus number two. Two bonuses, which is already going to save you 18,000 rupees in hard cash. But the third bonus is going to make you go crazy. It is going to blow your minds. That's something which is a very secret, and the name of that bonus itself is a secret day 4. Yes, you heard it right. It's not 3-day event, it's not 12 hours of learning. The total learnings are more than 14 to 15 hours across 4 days. Hardik, 4 day kya hai? You never said it about it. Fourth day is where we are going to invite a VIP, a very important person. I cannot the reveal of that name of that person who has already make it big in his life, and that person is going to share his learnings, his investment strategies, his things, his learnings across based on his experience with you people. And that would be your day 1, day 2, day 3, and plus day 4 only for VIP members. Would have costed you 3,500 for a single ticket, but it's included for free of cost. So you get access to the fourth day along with the recordings of it, which is 10th of March. Now, guys, as you see, I'm very transparent. I've been very honest with you. And here also, I will be honest with you. You get whatever I've said as it is, or you get your money back. How simple that is. There is zero risk for your side. Hardik, how is that is zero risk from my side, guys? Zero risk your side because you're paying money for an investment. You're going to get some asset out of it, which is your recordings. You get it, you are awesome, you're sorted for the rest of your life. You don't get it, in case you didn't get it any single recordings or any single, let's say, learning, you have your money back. So there's zero risk for you. But the potential, the value on the table is over a lakh, 1,02,100 rupees for the entire thing. But it's not the cost that you have to give. The investment that you are going to make, which is technically valued at 1 lakh rupees because the value is 1 lakh rupees, the investment that you're going to make, are you ready? Which is backed by 100% money back. Are you experienced? Like, are you ready to make the most invaluable investment for yourself? The price is very shocking, guys. It's a limited offer for just first 25 people who will get bonuses worth more than 20,000 rupees. It's just rupees 6,999. Yes, you heard it right. It's less than the shopping amount that you do. It's less than the 2 to 3 restaurant bills that you guys pay. It's just rupees 6,999 plus GST. GST goes to the government. GST ka invoice will be given to people who want to claim claim back GST amount or want to claim that as an expense. A legit taxable invoice will be given to you. Now the thing is, Hardik, where do I register? You can scan this QR codes and register, or if you want to faster way to register, I have shared the link in the Zoom chat with all the people in the Zoom chat. Here we go. You can click on the link and you can register for the same, which is called FFA program. Financial Freedom Accelerator. This program is definitely going to accelerate your financial freedom. Bhai, you don't have to wait for 15 years, 20 years, 25 years to achieve your financial freedom. There is a way you can do it. I've shown you the complete way, the complete transparency. Money back is clearly written on the payment page, it's clearly written on your PowerPoint file. You have zero risk, you have nothing to lose but so much to gain. So if you want to change your 2025 with us, drop FFA in the Zoom chat. I want to see how many people are changing their financial freedom journey with us. Can I get FFA in the Zoom chat? Can I get FFA in the Zoom chat? Oh, that's crazy. Ranjit, Manish, Rohan, Karam, Gautam, Raju, Aisha, Manisha, Rakesh, Avinash, Gandhi Ram, there is Shashank, there is Vishnu, there is Amresh, there is Shantaram Kumar, there is Anmol, there is Prakash, there is Sanjay, there is Shailesh Raghwani, there is Nazirul, there is Shabrish, there is Pradeep Ghosh, there is Aditya. Aditya, wait, jao. Aditya bhai, ruk jao. I will give it to you. Anmol hai, then there is Vishal hai, then there is Manish Kumar ji, that's great. Alan Thomas, crazy. Gana, there is Jatin, there is Raja, there is Gopal Krishna, there is Santosh. Guys, I think I've took more than 25 names. So I hope it's completely transparent with you. It's first come, first serve basis. Credit card payment not possible. Credit card payments are possible. But before I say that, is there anyone who have registered? You have registered. Can anyone drop a registered in the Zoom chat? 25 seats are done, and anyone who have registered, I have a surprise for you. So we have three people who have registered: Ramesh, Dinesh, and Atit. Atit have registered, and Anup have registered long back in the month of January. And Anup, the event has already done. In case you have not attended, हम लोग batch transfer दे देंगे Anup. Chill and relax. But guys, the people who have registered and the people who are going to register, how many people want surprise? Drop a surprise in the Zoom chat, because the surprise is going to change everything. And I think then everyone is going to go for it. The surprise is going to change everything. And I'm damn sure after that, every single person in this meeting would be like, Hardik, I want to go for it. But for that, you need to write surprise in the Zoom chat. Venkatesh Rao is very crazy. Ellen Thomas, wait, do not spam the Zoom chat or else I will kick you out of the meeting. Surprise, 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 surprise. Closing the chat, and guys, here we go. Now the surprises. 7 people have paid 6,999. Total seats kitna hai? 25. 7 people have already paid. 18 seats are left. Now, guys, do you know why it's only for 25 people? Because this 25 people out of 7 who have already registered can bring with them 2 more people. Can you believe that, guys? So let's say if I talk about Rakesh Kumar who have paid for it. So one ticket for Rakesh bhai, and along with that, 2 VIP tickets for your friend or family. It can be any person of your choice, right from your boss, your colleague, your best friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, anyone of your choice. 2 people. Hardik, what is the best in that? These 2 tickets are free of cost. So technically, I'm saving your hard cash 14,000 rupees or hard cash. And if anyone doubts it, like Hardik, how does it even worth for 14,000? Ask those 7 people and ask those other 18 people who are going to register for it. They have already paid their 6,999 plus GST, but I'm giving you 2 more tickets which are worth 14,000 rupees for the same event, where you can gift it to your family members. Your family members can attend it along with you in the march. In case unko baad mein attend karna hai, they can attend it baad mein later on, or else they want recordings, your family members can watch the recordings as well. We have kept the complete transparency, complete flexibility, so people can learn and grow with us. Can I get awesome in the Zoom chat? How many people are like, Hardik, this is awesome surprise? Giving tickets for free for family member, that shows that we truly want you to achieve a financial freedom, or else we could have costed, we could have charged it for it. That's crazy. Manish Bhai has paid for it. That's crazy. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Registered. Bishwajit has paid for it. The credit card not allowed. Manoj Kumar Gupta ji, it's allowed. I will show it to you. Perfect. Registered, 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 registered. Santosh have paid for it. Wala B. Manjunath has registered for it. Shalini Singh, really awesome. Shalini, thank you so much. Done, registered. Gautam has registered for it. Adik, please don't take my name. Don't take my name out loud. Is there any EMI services available? I really want to go for it. Guy, bye. You don't, guys. I'm closing the chat. Since a person has told me not to take his name, I will respect his privacy. But I want to understand, guys, that person is asking for a help about EMI. I want to tell you upfront, never ever feel shy. Never ever in your entire life, never feel shy to ask for help. And again, I don't want to take the name, but I want to see how many people are like him. How many people are not able to ask for help? How many people want EMI? मेरे को बताओ. I will give it to you. I will give it to you guys, but I want to see how many people want it. Just because you are afraid, you're just because of fear of judgment or fear of like public speaking, don't suppress yourself. ठीक है, I'm not taking any names, but I'm getting EMI. EMI, please sir, don't take my name. भाई chill. ठीक है, वेणुगोपाल, you have registered. ठीक है, I'm getting EMI. EMI. SBI इंटरनेट बैंकिंग नहीं मिल रहा है. ईश्वर भाई, I will help you, don't worry. EMI, 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 EMI. चलो. Guys, I'm closing the chat. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Give me a second. I will enable the EMI options for every single one of you. And I think it's done. I'm just pasting the link. Guys, let's do it together. Chalo. Chalo, let's do it together, guys. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Guys, all the people who want EMI option, abhi karte, I've enabled it. It will cost you less than 500 to 700 rupees per month. And I think that's less than a cost of a pizza or good jagah pe restaurant pe khana, right? I think everyone can afford 500 to 700 per month, right? Everyone. Put your details. I'm waiting for 1 minute. I'm having water till then. Put your name, put your email address, put your phone number on this link given in the Zoom chat. I'm waiting for 1 minute. चलो मैं हेल्प करूंगा. चिल रिलैक्स, किसी का नाम भी नहीं लूंगा जिसने EMI से भरा है. सो चिल, योर प्राइवेसी इज मेंटेन्ड. ठीक है, आई एम वेटिंग. चलो. Put your name, put your proper email address so we can reach out to you via email address. We are going to contact you after the payment. All the people, put your legit phone number. Bhai, please phone number galat mat dalna. Please put a phone number if possible which is linked to WhatsApp so we can even connect with you guys on WhatsApp. I'm giving 1 minute, last 1 minute. Chalo, let's do it. Last 1 minute hai. How many people are putting the details? Waiting. EMI people, all the people, I'm not taking your names, but whoever have written EMI, I'm waiting for you. Chalo. Let's do it. Now, guys, I'm also putting some dummy details. Follow along with me. I'm sharing the link again. And iske baad kuch questions rahege. We can do a Q&A as well. I'm putting all the links here. I'm putting all the details. Click on pay button. All the people who opted for EMI. Now, guys, here there are many options for EMIs. Directly go to the third segment. First is UPI. UPI mein mat jao, where you have to pay the upfront amount totally. The people who have opted for EMI, go with EMI. Third option. And guys, see this, credit card EMIs are starting as low as 290 rupees a month. By I think everyone in India or everyone generally in this webinar, the people coming for tier 2, tier 3 cities, tier 1 cities could easily afford 290 rupees a month. And depending on the plan that you choose, like it's right from 3 months ka plan is 6 month hai, 12 month hai, 9 month hai, 18 month hai, 24 month hai. You can go as long as 24 months. Debit card EMI holders, there are only two options available. Sorry to say that, HDFC and Indus Bank. If you have a debit card apart from HDFC Bank or Indus Bank, sorry to say, but uska option nahi hai. Credit card people, you can go with any option. Anything is available. HDFC है, ICICI है, State Bank of India, Axis Bank है, American Express है, RBL Bank है, Kotak Mahindra है. And I forgot the name of that person who was like, Hardik, SBI का net banking है. SBI holder हो तो you can go with UPI. Scan this QR code, put your details, pay via Google Pay, Phone Pay, anything is fine. ठीक है. I hope everyone has got it. Anyone who wants to go with any other payment options, there are still options like net banking, card, UPI, wallet. If you have money in your wallet, some other wallet, you can try it out. Okay? I've added everything. Can I get got it? मैं किसी का नाम नहीं लूंगा. I just want to understand EMI holders. Have you got it? Because I want to solve the queries of other people. Can I get got it from your side? EMI people. ठीक. Hitesh, payment confirm. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Registered EMI, EMI, perfect. Chalo. Ellen Thomas, it's an option for people who want to learn more about financial freedom, how to accelerate, how to go for these strategies. So if you wish to go for it, you can. Ellen Thomas. Kumar Vaibhav has registered. ठीक है. Upendra Shah is saying one more time. Upendra Shah, put your details, click on pay button and go to the third option. ठीक है. चलो. A link please. I am giving you the link in the Zoom chat. Was about to go for EMI but asked friend extra 3K paid me. Chalo, no problem. You can go with your friends as well since you are getting 3 tickets. Payment confirm Adesh. Payment done, sir. Rajesh Kumar, thank you. I've done the full payment. Couldn't join the WhatsApp group. Sudeep Pujari, chill and relax. My team is going to contact you. Okay? I've registered Vasant. Is there anything, or I can log off? The people who have registered, you can log off, or the people who are like Alan waiting for some bonuses which are part or left, your bonuses are going to get on the WhatsApp, on your emails and your WhatsApp. Am I in first 25 people? Just a sec, guys. I will message my team. Give me a second. My team is going to tell me how many seats are left. Hardik, we have got so far 17 registrations. So 8 seats are left. Guys, I've got a message from my team right now on WhatsApp. See this. We have got 17 seats done. Only 8 seats left. So, guys, I'm being very honest. I've written here. All the people have registered. You can log off as well if you don't want the bonuses and all those from my side. Okay? Thanks a lot. See you on 7th March. Vasan, thank you so much. Nirmal, thank you so much. Agustin Fernandez, if you have already bought and in case आपने attend नहीं किया, Agustin, write us a mail. We'll give you a new batch transfer. ठीक है? Course detail, please. If Adesh Singh Verma, it's written on the thing. Ritesh has just registered. All the people who have gotten my confirmation, you can get confirmation from my side, or we will get a confirmation on your WhatsApp number. 17 seats are done. ठीक है. AI indicator का नेम यही था आदित्य. Yes, I will give it AI indicator का नेम for people who are waiting for AI indicator. Here it is. ठीक है. Perfect. Alan Thomas, you are violating the community guidelines. Please don't spam the chat box. Can a friend of mine in London attend the event? Santosh, yes, definitely he can. All the people, Vallabi and others who have made the payment, you are within 17. Right now it's 18. Okay? Now I'm closing the chat. I'm helping all the people who are like, Hardik, I'm not able to click the payment. Can you please show us a QR code? So all the people जिसको गूगल पे से पे करना है, किसको फोन पे से पे करना है, किसी को पेटीएम से पे करना है, so I'm going to give you a QR code. Just a sec. I'm going to create a QR code in front of you and I will give it to you. See this. You can scan this QR code. I will keep the QR code open for let's say 2 minutes. So guys, you can scan this QR code. I will just also scan it along with you just to be sure that we are going on the right payment page. And then we can discuss your queries. Okay, all the people waiting for queries, this is the last thing. Iske baad we discuss the queries. I'm opening the chat and here we go. It's taking to the payment page. So guys, this QR code is working perfectly fine. I'm keeping this QR code open. And now let's talk about the bonuses. Let's talk about the softwares and let's talk about the questions that people have. ठीक है. Ishwar Bhai, you can, if you're not able to pay via SBI internet banking, Ishwar Bhai Prajapati, so you can scan this QR code. I need some help on AI strategy. Augustine Fernandez will help you. Don't worry. Please share the Excel sheet for 9 a.m. 9:30 a.m. strategy. We'll share it with you. ठीक है. गनाना कांति क्यूआर कोड यहाँ पे है. आदेश सिंह योर पेमेंट इज डन. नवीन योर पेमेंट इज डन. ठीक है. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग इज डन. नाउ गाइस आई विल टेक क्वेरीज. किसको भी क्वेरी है, इफ एनीवन हैज एनी क्वेरी, हार्दिक आई हैव दिस कंफ्यूजन, हार्दिक कैन यू शो दिस करिकुलम, हार्दिक आई हैव डिड डाउट्स, आई हैव दैट डाउट्स अबाउट द प्रोग्राम, और हार्दिक इन दिस करंट प्रोग्राम हैड दिस डाउट्स, anything, ask me right now. I'm going to take 30 questions and this is going to go till 10 p.m. So we have enough time. Towards the end of the call, I will share the bonuses. अगर bonuses के लिए ही रुक रहे हो तो please don't wait. You can leave the call. Bonuses will send it to you. Chill and relax. ठीक है. I'm opening the chat. 30 queries at a time. Be detailed. Be specific. अगर किसी को लग रहा है हार्दिक you have not taken my question, please drop me. I've done. हाँ Rajit Gandham, we are going to contact you. Don't worry. Manan Gupta, sir, I'm a 15-year-old. Don't have a stable income. What should I do? Manan Gupta, not recommended to you. 15-year-old है तो मतलब एजुकेशन के लिए गो फॉर इट, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज राइट नाउ, फोकस ऑन योर करियर राइट नाउ. And if you want to take like build a career in stock market, so go through like university, have some traditional courses. थोड़ा मिल जाएगा certification, it will help you in your career. Vishnu Chauhan has done problem about Nifty. Tejas bhai, what's the problem? Let me know. ठीक है. all on automation options and ye stock. Manoj Kumar Gupta, what's your thing? How do you signal for trading? Sanjay, I've showed you. You will get the notes. AI indicator hai, it will show you this. As I said, directly use mat karo. Add it to your kernel setup. See pehle uske results kaise, then you will get a confidence. Hmm. Bro, last year your course fees was 2,998. Exactly, Mohan. This is a people, it's legit helping people, and that's the reason the prices are going to increase. All the people who are waiting for the next batch, I cannot commit you the price. I can show you. See this. This was like people are like Hardik, the prices are increasing. Oh, increase hoga. So if you can get it right now, always think of it. Buy low, sell high nahi hota hai. Buy high and sell higher. ठीक है मोहन आई होप यू गेट इट डू वी गेट सपोर्ट आफ्टर क्लास अंकुर एनी काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट रिगार्डिंग रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑल द एडमिन सपोर्ट इज अवेलेबल चिल एंड रिलैक्स इज द बैच फुल कैन आई एनरोल गगना कांति लेट मी क्लोज द चैट बॉक्स एंड लेट मी चेक विद माई टीम कितने रजिस्ट्रेशन हुए हैं सो आई एम जस्ट checking the message that I've got it on WhatsApp. Just a sec, opening the group. And Hardik, we have only 4 seats left. So I've got a notification in my group. I don't know how many people can see it. 4 seats left. I will write it in the Zoom chat. 4 seats left. So, guys, a very big disclaimer. After this, no special request will be entertained. Hardik, please, de do meko time. Hardik, I want to go. No means no. Only force it. Perfect. Chalo. Hardik, I've been lost in option trading. Can you please help me build and grow using AI? Let in help, but please understand. We cannot completely be AI dependent. You need to understand AI सब कुछ नहीं कर सकता. अगर AI सब कुछ कर लेता तो सब लोग AI यूज करते. You need to have guidance, mentorship. AI can help you little bit here and there. But the thing is, you can learn in a systematic way. That's what I am to say, Lenin Hilbert. Okay? While you will explain the theory, would you include tools also doing FNA? Yes. Would be the extra tools for tools? Nahi. I repeat, Pradeep Ghosh, this is the only charge you pay for FNA, FFA. There are no extra charges, no hidden charges. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि before one day before the event we ask for some charges. There won't be any. ठीक है? This is the only thing you pay for the FFA. Hadik, which tool I can use on one day, or Govind, I will share it to you. Gap up, market gap up problem. Tejas, good question. Let me explain you what is one more logic behind those strategy. So there is something called as gap up thesis. Abhi, if I have to explain you in a very layman language, gap up thesis is something which is historical. अगर आप देखोगे, there are more gap ups compared to gap down. So, मतलब, I'm talking on a very surface level. We don't have time to go deep into that. But the point being is gap up ज़्यादा हुआ है compared to gap down. That's the reason we can go with the call options overnight. So there are more chances of gap up. Are you getting it from the probability point of view? तेजस ठीक है. What's the logic entering above 50%, sir? Gansham, वही है. The logic bean is momentum. Understand, if you are capturing a momentum, we are entering into a momentum which is after 50%. So there are more chances, as you can see in the backtested data as well, कि वो 50% से थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा, and that is where we book our profits. ठीक है. और कमिंग टू अ पॉइंट, लेट्स से गैप डाउन हुआ तो मार्केट पे वो ट्रिगर ऑर्डर प्लेस ही नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अपना मोमेंटम कैप्चर ही नहीं होगा 50% से. उल्टे से वो कॉल ऑप्शन डाउन रहेगा. जैसे कि अभी मार्केट गिर रहा है. इफ आई शो यू, ये देखो, ये सब कॉल ऑप्शन डाउन है. तो लेट्स से हमने यहाँ पे ट्रिगर किया रहता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एजुकेशनल पर्पज, तो ये ट्रिगर ही नहीं होता बिकॉज ये लॉस में जा रहा है. तो द पॉइंट बीन इज वी वांट टू कैप्चर द मोमेंटम. ठीक है. Rani has done the payment. Thank you. What are the offerings of this course? Saurabh, I think you are a late joiner. The offering, if I have to sum up in a simple line, we help you to accelerate your financial freedom journey by providing you 12 learnings. In case we fail to do so, by providing, like, in case we fail to give you any of the learnings, we give you money back. ठीक है. बीपल पॉल एसबीआई का नेट बैंकिंग का गाइड प्लीज. बीपल पॉल सी इट फॉर योरसेल्फ. चलो, कैन यू शेयर पीपीटी फॉर फ्यूचर रेफरेंसेस एंड स्टडी? दे विल शेयर इट विथ यू. Not the entire PPT, but whatever is like useful to you people, will create a note out of it and will share it with you. Is the same strategy applicable for intraday trading as well? Which same strategy? Sayed, what do you want for free? Sir, stop loss 15% है, then how the average loss is 2%? मतलब आई डिडंट गेट द पॉइंट अमनदीप सिंह. एवरी टाइम ऐसा नहीं है ना कि अवर स्टॉप लॉस इज गेटिंग हिट. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ऐसा होगा कि कभी कभी ट्रेड ही एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगे. अमनदीप सिंह, राइट? Hi, please share your team number. Team ka number we don't have it, but we'll give you one number. Like, if you want to reach out to us, reach out to us at support at the rate hardikraja.com. ठीक है. Done. In case I'm just going through queries, मैंने chat off रखा है. In case I have like lost any of the queries, can I get the software we are talking about, Deepu? Like if you want it right now, this is the trading tool, Nifty का trading tool. I've shared it right now. ठीक है. What else? Uh, Hardik, I paid already. Thank you so much. Indicator work on 1 5 minute time in Nifty. Megaraj Dade, I've told it to try it on multiple time frames and see what's working for you best. I'm a working professional. Can I do this at the 50 years old? Like again, I just want to, since you have shared your details, I don't want to take your name, but yes, PK, I will tell in short, PK, you can achieve it. If I register, what is the total amount of capital required to explore everything taught in the program? Pinky Singh, it depends on the which strategy you're going with. Like अगर आप रिवर्स निफ्टी 50 हो, so there is a different capital requirement. फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस में डिफरेंट है, वहां पे लेवरेज ज्यादा मिलता है. सो एवरी फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हैव अ डिफरेंट पर्पस दैट वी विल आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड इन द प्रोग्राम. पिंकी सिंह, ठीक है. आई एम कंफ्यूज हाउ टू हैंडल माई स्टडीज एंड ट्रेडिंग टुगेदर. रोहन यादव, लाइक इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज देन डोंट गो फॉर इट. What else? I've registered. Thank you so much, Shashank. Uh, और क्या है? Can you please explain the Laurentian indicator once again? I need the link. Will it be मतलब explanation will be given to you. Link जैसा कुछ है नहीं. The best thing I can give you is the name of it. If you want the name of it, I will give you again. उसका as such कोई link नहीं है. You have to manually search in and add it in your current setup. ठीक है? So I'm giving you the link again. Vallabhi. Here is the link in the chat or name in the chat box. Anyone else? I'm a retired person, Sayed. No problem. Still, you can go for it. I need your help in analysis. Augustine, what analysis? Chalo. Do we get support after class? Ankur, I've already answered that. Acha, I've already covered this. SIP wala process, please repeat. I can do an interesting activity for SIP, but मैं बताता हूँ. Shubhas, I've already explained the margin wala thing. Since इसमें loss का पॉइंट ज्यादा है, the losses are like number of days का losses ज्यादा है, 73 times है, average loss कम है. Subhash, that's the reason margin is required more. So what if you hit loss for let's say straight for 20 days? भले लॉस लिमिटेड है, छोटा लॉस होगा, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द प्रॉफिट, बट व्हाट इफ कंटिन्यू हिट होगा, कंटिन्यू हिट होने का चांसेस है. दैट्स द रीजन वी हैव टेकन मार्जिन स्लाइटली हाई. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. Mr. A, I've got your request and I've also seen you have written, don't take my name during the call. If you are missed on the program, you just have to write to my support team. हम आपको वापस लिंक दे देंगे, अनिल, डू नॉट वरी. ठीक है. Is there an option of joining for subject wise like trading, that is day in day two? Shantaram, no, we are helping people on a mass level, so we have tipped something. ठीक है. What else? I'm using Grow app. Can you show how to use the indicator in other website? Kiran, I've said it again and again. Grow Zero था, ये सब जगह आपको indicator नहीं मिलेगा. This indicator is only and only available on TradingView, and TradingView is free. ठीक है. I have not received the receipt. Ramik Kumar, you will get it on your email. Just wait. When we get the tool to enter the Nifty call strategy, Sagar already shared. Batch full हुआ है. I will just check with my team quickly. Batch full हुआ है कि नहीं, because people are waiting. Hardik, only 2 seat left, so I will again write it in the Zoom chat. 2 seat left only. Now, guys, before taking other queries, is there anyone who's waiting for some payment ka issue? Let me know in the chat box. Anyone waiting for payment issue? नरेश कुमार ठीक है, बीपल पॉल ठीक है. ठीक है. परफेक्ट. चलो लेट्स गो. आई हैव डेबिट्स. आई हैव एसबीआई का डेबिट कार्ड. ठीक है. ईश्वर भाई है, प्रशांत है, गन है, गना विल हैज पेड. Okay, I'm closing the chat, guys. I'm showing you one more time process, and my team is giving you alternate payment link as well, where you can make the payment. So just a sec, I'm giving you alternate payment link which my team has given. So जिसका payment नहीं हो रहा है, guys, try alternate payment link. This is like if I just have to take the name, this is for Rakesh Kumar, and this is for B, Paul, Mr. Paul, जिसका SBI नेट बैंकिंग का इशू है. देन लाइक और किसका इशू था? रविंद्र का तो हो गया, मोदी का हो गया. Ayan, who's asking for link for payment, and one more person, like I forgot the person ka name, who was having some payment ka issue. So all the people, you can click on this link. See this. This is how it will open. You like see this. Rajesh have registered. We can got the notification of Rajesh, and Aditi have registered. So here you can see your notifications as well. Put your details. the cost been remain the same, nothing change here, timing everything is same, you can change it. Okay, perfect. So what else? We have completed Alan Thomas, just for your information, we have completed the entire curriculum which was committed to you in the program. And the only thing left is bonuses and certificate, which will be given to you on your email address and WhatsApp. In case for technical glitch you didn't receive it, write to support@hardikraja.com. Happy to provide you. And in case you are waiting for any other learnings, you can leave the call as well, Alan Thomas. ठीक है. हार्दिक पेमेंट इशू है राकेश कुमार भाई. I've read write it here. You can see your complete list of almost 22 people or 23 people who have registered so far. ठीक है. Now, before I go and ask you any of the queries, let me just quickly check with my team if everything is good at the back end or we are facing any issues जिसकी वजह से कुछ लोगों का पेमेंट नहीं हो रहा है. Right? We need to check that as well. Perfect. चलो, what else? What else? Opening the chat. Let me know in case anything is there. Ellen Thomas, have you got my reply? Uh, ठीक है. I can attend batch 7th, 8th and 9th. Augustine Fernandez, if you can't attend, we'll give you batch transfer. Right, मेरे को लिख दो, ठीक है? I have 14 years of experience. I worked as an operation manager. Unfortunately, I lost my job. I am ready to work in stock typing. Can you help me? I have many financial issues. I need to sort them out. Ranjit Gandham, I would suggest you don't take this as a alternative to your job. I will explain you the logic behind it right now. As you have written here, ki you are in stress, you have done this, that, and that. This will impact your trading journey. मतलब if you are waiting trading to give you like wait you are literally depending on trading for a living, it would be damn difficult for you. So I would suggest you first have your aim to get a job, and then I'm happy to help you. Like if you have a decent job, stable income hai, then you can learn all of this. Prashant, yes, I've done that. Naresh Kumar, I've done that. Chalo. Does automated trading imply that trading AI will trade, such as entering and exiting trade? No, we have to do it, but there are ways you can automate that using, let's say, ATO feature. मतलब that's not an AI tool doing for you, but there are features available in the market. ठीक है. Algo trading नहीं हो रहा है. राधा कृष्ण. Is this indicator can be used in goals? Yes. Perfect. I'm a late joiner, but I'm interested in joining batch. Yeah, Alan Thomas, that's what we are doing. We are solving Q&A. Do you take personal classes? Do you mean like one-on-one classes? Last link please. चलो ठीक है. What else? How to use this nifty tool from Monday? Pankaj Kumar, I'm selling you again. पहले try करो. Use this all for educational purpose. This is the problem ना. You are literally every single one is waiting for someone to tell them what to do. ऐसा मत करो. Please apply your learnings. अभी तक क्या किया? Someone told you to do SIP, आप कर रहे हो. Someone told you to do equity, आप कर रहे हो. That is not how it works. You need to use your own brains. You need to see the results yourself. ठीक है. Laurent algorithm, please repeat. Mitesh Patel, yaar, buy and sell signal. Like I've did it 3 times. I want to join after 11th. Rudrajit Datta. What do you mean by 11th? Like 11 p.m.? Dear Hatika, recently got my new mobile, reinstalled the WhatsApp. I'm in the bargain. I lost the link of recording. अरे यार. ठीक है, please write to support Reddy, Mr. Reddy. I paid message received myself. Naresh Kumar, thank you so much. John Thomas, the strategy has to be linked to our app, doesn't it? Otherwise, how it will be triggered? We have not like the वो link नहीं करना. John Thomas, that's the problem. So for that, you required API and all of that. That gets quite complicated. So that's the reason the link wala thing is we are not helping you to understand right now. It's all about trading with this indicator. Use it, see signals कैसे आ रहे, add it to your current setup and see how it's going. Bro, we will get recording of 789 ka batches. Rohan Yadav, yes. Apala Kumar is already paid a member. ठीक है. Can you teach any strategy for FNO? Rohan already done. Uh, Perfect. Chalo. I want to enroll myself for this workshop. Bhushan, my team will contact. Right to support. Bhushan Deshmukh will help you. Don't worry. Sir, I don't know what all things it is going to cover. Uday Kumar, everything is going to cover. I've showed you the curriculum. In case you want again a detailed curriculum, you can request us. ठीक है. My net banking is down. Sachin, take your time. Chalo, guys, I'm closing the chat. Before we come to the end segment, I've got any more things. At current market, how we can apply buy option? Because last day, 7-day market is down. यार मतलब ड्यू टू आई एम नॉट सेबी रजिस्टर्ड आई कैनॉट करंट कमेंट ऑन मार्केट कंडीशन. But see, I would just tell you to go through historical data. You will get better clarity, better idea. Vikas and Thomas, bhai, you can write a mail to support. Will refund you workshop ka fees. Like if you are so concerned with 99 rupees. CF option के लिए SL does not work. प्रेम भाटिया CF क्या हो गया? जय भगवान प्लीज जय भगवान आई डोंट नो ए नेम बट हाँ मतलब आई कैन गिव यू कंफर्मेशन. प्रशांत राय आई हैव गिवन यू कंफर्मेशन थ्राइस. Ramu Pillai, is there any statistics available for broker plus statutory charges for reference with you? मतलब एवरी ब्रोकर हैज डिफरेंट चार्जेस. कोई जीरो डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर होता है. स्टैट्यूटरी चार्जेस बीन रिमेन द सेम. यू कैन गूगल इट. एंड निफ्टी फ्लोर इज इट्स इन ऑल नॉट ऑल प्लेटफॉर्म. दिस इज इन ग्रो का थिंग वी हैव क्रिएटेड. मतलब इन हाउ डू आई एक्सप्लेन दिस लाइक इन स्कूल के टाइम पे कॉलेज के टाइम पे इफ यू हैव टू गो थ्रू अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आंसर हाउ डू यू क्रिएट अ एब्रिवियन. वैसा इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग दैट वी हैव क्रिएटेड आवरसेल्फ. इट हेल्प्स इन टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग. निफ्टी माइनस टू फ्लोर. नरेश कुमार चिल चिल चिल. ठीक है. Does it support bank nifty? No, this is a strategy strictly to nifty. ठीक है. शशांक इट इज गिविंग सॉरी. क्या सॉरी? व्हाट सॉरी? इरफा ठीक है. यस सर. फॉर स्टॉक मार्केट कैन एआई हेल्प इन ऑप्शन चेन एनालिसिस टू अंडरस्टैंड मार्केट? अतिराज यस यू कैन डू इट. चलो लेट्स ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर मोर थेसिस एंड विल डू इट. चलो ठीक है. What else? What else? What else? This has been previously loosed. Can I trade? What is current view? Current view cannot comment. I think like some. Oh yeah, some everyone is giving link. I'm a skeptic. I apologize in advance if I sound wire revealing all your secrets. You have kept all it for yourself and grow rich yourself. Do you accept that selling courses earn more than none? Mandal bhai, I will explain you in a very simple thing. Chalo, I will give you two situations. Everyone listen to two situations and you tell me, you are the judge, you are the jury, guys. If someone is helping you by like giving you something and charging money for it, you will be skeptical कि why is charging money for this? उसको तो free में देना चाहिए था, right? This will be your perception. This is what people are thinking. Hardik, अगर ये secret है तो then why you are charging for this? Why you are asking money for this? ठीक है. Good perspective, fun. Now let's turn the table. If I do the same thing for free, what you will think? इसके पीछे इसका कोई मोटिव होगा. इसके लिए फ्री में कर रहा है. इसके पीछे इसका कोई एजेंडा होगा. इसके लिए फ्री में दे रहा है. और एल्स व्हाई समवन इफ समथिंग इज वर्किंग व्हाई पीपल विल गिव फॉर फ्री. This is both the perspective. How many people agree with this? That if someone will do something for free, people will question ki why you are doing for free. If it's really working, why you will do for free? And if someone will charge if something is working, they will be like, agar chal hi raha hai, if you have made money, then why you are giving, why you are not giving for free? How many people agree with this thing? It's a perspective game. And I will give you one more thing. I will give you like one more thing. Agreed? Agreed? Everyone agreed? 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 Crazy? Yes, agreed. I will help you understand one more thing. And anyone who thinks, Hardik, why you are charging a premium fee for this? I will tell you one more thing. People have lost lakhs of rupees, but people are not willing to invest in themselves. Point number one. Point number two, tell me one thing that you have got for free and you have valued it. How many people think कि हार्दिक यार ये सब तो मैं यूट्यूब पे भी सीख सकता था तो सीखा क्यों नहीं? Why you have not seen? Why you are waiting till now? हार्दिक ये तो मैं खुद से भी कर सकता था तो किया क्यों नहीं? Why you are waiting? Because there is something called as procrastination. When you don't pay for something, उसके लिए आप bother नहीं करते हो. How many people agree to this as well? Whenever you get something for free, you don't value it. That's the problem. Okay, that's the problem. Ellen Thomas, I have said it 1 hour back only. The learnings are done. I don't know why you are waiting. I have everything on record, by the way. Ellen Thomas. The recording is on. चलो चलो. Yes, Rohan Radhav agreed. Anup, write to support@hardikraja.com, or you can directly connect with me on LinkedIn. Perfect. Agree. That's great. Perfect. Agreed. Thank you, sir. Chal, I will also help you one more thing. Thank you for writing that, Thomas. By the way, you are not allowed to record this. That's again our community guidelines. You cannot record this. And I also have everything on record. Go and check the definition of it. ठीक है, चलो perfect. Please allow me to join the class. Rodha Datta, you can. Will you have the step by step process? Yes. Payment issue किसका आ रहा है भाई? अभी तक payment issue किसका है? Drop me in the Zoom chat. I'm giving you time till midnight. Done. Naresh Kumar, you if you have made the payment, check for yourself. Like I'm not understand. Again, you are not allowed to do that. Have you taken the permission, Alan? Have you taken the permission for it? Imran Hussein, I can understand all the people who are like Imran that Hardik, it's a core Ramzan ka thing, 7 to 10. In case you are from that crowd, we can give you batch transfer. आप still register कर सकते हैं. We'll give you a next batch. Perfect. Sure. That's great. चलो. Bank message received bank and debit. So that Naresh, chill and relax. In case like if you debit आ गया है तो we have got your money. Money is secure है. And in case कोई double debit हुआ है तो one we will refund it. चलो. That's great. Mohan Reddy, definitely. Chalo. Perfect. Tada bye bye. Tada bye bye. Chalo that. Thank you. Tada bye bye. Bye bye. Anyone who is leaving the call, you can write bye bye in the Zoom chat. Thanks. Bye. Pinky. Bye. Augustine Fernandez. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ellen Tata. Bye bye. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you. टाटा बाय बाय. आज के सेशन का डेटा कब मिलेगा? कल मिलेगा किरण, कल सुबह. Manish and other people who have made the payment but you are not available on 7 and 9, chill and relax. ठीक है. शशांक EMI is available. ठीक है. Thank you Manoj Kumar. Bye bye. Tata bye bye. Thank you so much Hardik. Perfect. Right. Thank you. Tata bye bye. Chill. I'm closing. Just a sec before I close. I'm just checking. Bye bye. It was amazing. See you soon. Tata bye bye. Chandrasekhar, I might have missed your question. Please drop your question again. ट्रेड इन व्यू वेबसाइट सिर्फ 30 दिन के लिए फ्री है. नहीं वो ट्रायल फ्री है भाई, वो कंप्लीटली फ्री है. डोंट गो विद द पेड प्लान. चलो दैट्स ग्रेट. परफेक्ट. थैंक यू. Anyone who wants a time till midnight for payment, you can definitely make it, no problem. See you soon. Tada bye bye. Vikas, if you don't like the content of this workshop, simply mail us, bro. We will give you 99 rupees car refund. 100 rupees is not going to make a difference in my life or your life, Vikas. So mail कर दो, मैं refund दे दूंगा आपको, no problem. Same goes with Alan Thomas. Vikas, right to support. चलो टाटा बाय बाय. बाय बाय गाइस. Perfect. Ta-da, 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 bye-bye. Can you provide the link of alternate payment link? Sure. रूपाली प्लीज ड्रॉप योर क्वेश्चन अगेन, आपका भी मिस हो गया रहेगा गलती से, डोंट वरी। ठीक है, चलो हियर इट इज। टाटा बाय बाय। आदित्य। रूपाली प्लीज सजेस्ट द अबाउट रेयर अर्थ एलिमेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट, नो आइडिया रूपाली व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। मोदी, मोदी आई गिवन यू पेमेंट कंफर्मेशन एज वेल, नानी मोदी। आई पेड, वेयर इज माई 3 डे का क्लासेस, चंद्रशेखर, इट्स मार्च का बैच है। ठीक है, डोंट वरी। एलन थॉमस प्लीज मैसेज मी और डीएम, लेट्स हैव अ वर्ड। इज ऑल इवेंट ऑनलाइन संजय भाई? यस, ऑनलाइन ऑनलाइन। प्लीज एक्सप्लेन प्राइजेस टू बाय 50% मोर हॉरिजॉन इंफ्रा, सेड इट अगेन एंड अगेन। ठीक है, what else? Hardik, I have a SBI का debit card which is giving below EMI, no issue is available. You can change the number or try other payment. Shashank, debit card का EMI is not available apart from HDFC or Indus Bank. How to contact you on DM? Alan Thomas, right? Like Hardik Raja dot in करके there is a Instagram profile. You can want. Santosh, right to support. Santosh Kiwale. I was asking whether the AI indicator is used for options. Nani Modi, you can, but it's very risky. Like पहले try करो, paper trading करो. Don't try it directly. Put your hard earned money on that. ठीक है? संतोष के वाले राइट टू सपोर्ट। ठीक है, भाई कूपन कोड दे दो, कौन सा कूपन कोड आदित्य? मेरा कूपन कोड दे दो। विच कूपन कोड? नो डेबिट कार्ड अदर देन SBI शशांक, तो सॉरी टू से, लाइक यू कैन गो विद लाइक ये ऑप्शन, UPI ऑप्शन, एंड केस इफ दैट्स नॉट फिजिबल तो नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, टाटा बाय 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 बाय। बाय बाय गाइस। Would love to give you, Alan. Would love to. And again, I respect your experience. So I would say Alan sir. ठीक है. Now, chalo, Oleg, guys, can I show you one more trick on AI for your financial planning in case people are interested in? We 7 minutes एक last मेरे not part of the workshop but still giving you. करना है कुछ? चलो, ठीक है. Closing the chat. I want anyone to drop me their money goal, like money goal and time. मनी गोल एंड टाइम, लाइक जस्ट एग्जांपल 1 CR 2 years, तो ये हो गया मनी गोल एंड टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू अचीव इट यूजिंग वॉट एवर यू हैव। एनीवन? 30 CR 5 years, 7 CR 3 years, 10 CR 1 CR 1 year, 10 CR 6 years? चलो, see this, I'm going to show you something which people don't understand. By the way, guys, I'm going to take some realistic numbers because I think people are randomly putting anything anywhere. So I will just take a screenshot and just want to show you that I'm live in front of you. So I will just paste it here. ठीक है, ये देखो. Guys, see this. 10 CR again. Jaya has not written the time, but forget about it. Manan Gupta 7 CR 3 years. Abdul Razik 1 CR 10 CR 6 years. This and that people write it. Now the problem being is now many people got influenced by my words, so they have got some similar answers. This is practically very difficult to achieve. Now what is practically to achieve which people know, and that's the reason they are doing SIP. Let's talk about this person. I'm having continuously chat with him. So 10 CR, and this, let's say if we go from a traditional point of view, this person might be like, Hardik, I want to achieve 10 CR in my life, and I might be doing, let's say, 20,000 ka SIPs for the next 15 years, and my corpus will be 10 CR. I will comfortably retire early, and this is this is not for Ellen specifically, but have thousands of people interacting with me, and this is what people think psychologically कि मैं 15 years के लिए सेविंग्स कर रहा हूँ, 10 CR would be my corpus, 5 CR I will buy my dream house because I have buying a house in, let's say, Mumbai का ये property, this and that, blah blah blah. I have 1 CR car dream car, BMW or Mercedes or any other car that we should commonly saying, not applicable to everyone. And 4 CR I will keep in my bank account. This is what technically or generally people plan. But I will show you the reality. See this. People don't understand finance. What you have to do is chat GPT खोलना है. No complex calculation. Just open chat GPT and simply write here present value of money INR 10 CR after 15 years or whatever your goal is. मतलब technically it will take 10 to 15 years through investing to create a 10 CR का corpus, but 5 6 year में तो 5 6 years में तो it's not possible until unless you have a good capital to invest in. But chalo, let's talk about this common scenario which we see it on YouTube or on reels on any everywhere that 15,000 प्रति महीना this and that. Now see this. After 15 years, considering this is something what people don't write it while planning their investments. Considering inflation at the rate 7%, now people might argue with me, Hardik, 7% कैसे हो सकता है? Actually, it's around less, comparatively less in India. 6% और अभी और कम data है, but I'm taking worst case scenario like 7% or 6% because India is a developing economy. The things are going to get developed, infrastructure is going to get better, roads are going to get better, blah 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 blah. Education, healthcare, everything is going to go upward. A trend is going to up. Let's say fees charged by a professional, let's say chartered accountant, lawyer, doctor, dentist, is going to go up, right? So everything is going to go up. So we'll take 7%. Now see the magic. Now there are some financial calculations that you guys have to do, but again, we both don't coming from that industry. Matlab, I to come from finance background, I come from chartered accountant background, but I understand many of you don't come. So now see the difference, guys. Now if you want to see the analytics, you can go through this complex calculation if you are interested in detailed answer. But see this is the beauty of finance. Now if someone, I'm not talking about Alan but any other person in the house, if someone has a goal of achieving 10 CR in coming 15 years and you are doing SIP for the same, you need to understand that at the end of 15th year, जब 15th year खत्म होगा, towards the end of it, you will get 10 CR, no doubt about it. Absolute money will be 10 CR, but the purchasing power, जो चीजें आप उससे खरीद सकते हो करंट टाइम में, purchasing power of that amount in current time is just 3.62 CR. So are you getting what's the problem happening with a huge amount of population out there? People are going with this and they're going to achieve it. That's not a problem. But the problem is they don't understand the present value. And if I have to give you a similar example, this is a very big example. I stay in Mumbai, guys. I'm just 25 years old. I've been brought up and born and brought up in Mumbai. When I was a small child, let's say I was in school, we used to get vada pav. Vada pav, a famous dish of India or a famous dish of Mumbai, around 3 rupees. 3 rupees. And I'm like, after 10 years right now, I'm still staying in Mumbai, but the vada pav has gone from 3 rupees to 30 rupees, a good decent vada pav. Or on an average stall, you will get it anywhere around 15 to 20 rupees. And a good place, you will get 35 rupees, 30 rupees. So that's what you have to do and apply in your financial planning, in your financial planning for your life as well. So now see the problem. Let's say this X person ने सोचा था इसमें से तो 5 CR का मैं ड्रीम हाउस लूंगा, 4 CR का ड्रीम हाउस लूंगा. Forget about house, forget about car, forget about everything else. He cannot even afford his house that he had planned. How many people got the problem? How many people understood that you are doing something wrong? I have shown you everything in a proper white and black area. Have you got it? So this is something again we are helping people to understand in a deeper manner, because this is something never taught in our schools and colleges because of the barrier. Because let's say if I talk about a person called Dr. Ranjan, I cannot make him understand during his studies, right? But now I can, because I just have to explain him the single statement and AI will do all this mathematics complex calculations. So this is something very revolutioning, very game changing out there, which we are helping you to understand. So I hope you have got this additional learning. There are so many learnings like that which I can go on and on. Chalo, और एक tip देता हूँ. There is something which is going right now. Again, a disclaimer, I have not tried it, but many people are doing this in the industry which I am in. So see this, what people are doing. People are copying this ये निफ्टी का डेली चार्ट है, लेट्स से दिस इज द निफ्टी का डेली चार्ट. People are copying charts like this and removing all this ad. Control C. Like this, people are doing taking screenshots. People are uploading in an AI tool, and just I'm showing this for educational purpose. A very big disclaimer. I said, don't try this and put your risk or hard-earned money. Do technical analysis as a stock market expert. Stock market expert, and provide me guidance of what to do. Technical spell error. See this. Now this is again tip of the iceberg. I can go till midnight about AI, but see this. Looking at Nifty 50 chart, let me provide a detailed technical analysis. Abhi now imagine guys, doctor ho, lawyer ho, or let's say dentist ho, or anyone who's a studying, anyone who's a, from a coding industry, getting all these things, getting support level, resistance level, what is critical support, outlook, recommendation for long term investor, for stock term investor, risk management. Are you getting it? This is where, then guys, again, what I have seen personally, I cannot say it on camera. This is just tip of the iceberg for the coming upcoming future. How many people think this is again crazy? Let me know in the chat box. How many people have never seen AI for technical analysis? See this. How many people think this is crazy? Let me know in the chat. Don't use Instagram. I message you through WhatsApp. Like I, the number you have messaged in, that's for the team. Do you use LinkedIn? You can reach out to LinkedIn as well. क्या चल रहा है सर crazy? Yo, it's very very crazy. So again guys, this is just all tip of the iceberg. Chalo, tata bye bye. Can we call it for the day, guys? Can we fully rely on AI? No, you don't have to. Is it under possible to understand pattern also, महेश भट्ट जी? ये देखो आपके सामने क्या है. You can get support level, resistance, head and shoulder. क्या पैटर्न बन रहा है सब. लिंक्डइन आईडी चाहिए आप लोगों को मेरा. लिंक्डइन आईडीज आई लिंक्डइन आई माइट. चलो लिंक्डइन पे आई चेक फॉर योर रिप्लाईज. हियर इट इज. ठीक है. चलो सी यू इन एफ एफ ए. लिंक्डइन आईडी आई हैव गिवन यू. लाइक आई एम अगेन वेरी फेमस ऑन लिंक्डइन. आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट 19K फॉलोअर्स एंड अ गुड पीपल टॉकिंग टू मी ऑन लिंक्डइन. ठीक है. That was a good time with you, sir. Thanks for the things you taught to me. Hope we meet in future. Manan bhai will love to meet to you. Okay. Tata bye bye. Thank you so much, all the people appreciating in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love. I love you all. And by I would like trust me. I'm joining my hands. I pray to God that whether you buy my course or not, it does not really matter. But you do achieve a financial freedom because I've been there in that position and I know how the life looks like. So I wish the same thing for you. All the people, bye bye, tada, jai hind, tada, bye bye. Closing the chat, closing the recording, and see you soon. In case I stay in Mumbai, I stay in Jogeshwari. I have office in Jogeshwari. कभी मिलना हुआ मिलेंगे डेफिनेटली. ठीक है. टाटा बाय बाय. चलो थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. बाय 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 बाय. चलो टाटा. आदि कैन आई रजिस्टर राइट नाउ? चलो थैंक यू. कैन. Thank you, bro. You are a gem. I want to register, but no card other than debit. शशांक भाई tried like try later. कुछ वो है नहीं. ठीक है. Here, where in Jogeshwari? Oh, Shashank bhai cannot tell my all entire address on a call. So, but I stay in Jogeshwari just for your reference. Chalo, chill, bro. Bye bye. Tata. Tata, tata.